Top 10 Auto Repair in St. Petersburg. 1. Andes Automotive Incorporated, 4.9 475 reviews, 5th Avenue South. 2. The Burg Automotive, 4.9 434 reviews, 49th Street North. 3. Dave's Automotive Repair, 4.9 331 reviews, 95th Street North STE. 4. 58th and Central Automotive, 4.9 234 reviews, Central Avenue. 5. Redding's Auto, 4.9 90 reviews, Morris St N. 6. JB Import Automotive Repair, 4.8 718 reviews, 16th Street North. 7. Middleton's Auto Care, 4.8 434 reviews, Dr. M.L.K. Jr. St N. 8. European Performance, 4.8 341 reviews, 4th Avenue North. 9. Brewer's Garage, 4.8 207 reviews, 16th Street North. 10. Michelle's Ultimate Car Care, 4.8 153 reviews, 4th Street North.